do you see any, I guess, how agents can utilize this in their, marketing?
Oh, absolutely. I work with agents on a daily basis. I teach them strategies they should start focusing on.
Okay.
Here's one I would consider you guys start thinking. That's more of a philosophy approach.
Mm-hmm.
A lead is not a list. I don't care whether you're an agent. I don't care whether you're an investor. I don't care what you are. A lead is not a list. Stop thinking like that, right? So I'm going to go on this TED Talk right now. But you have to stop going into a market like let's go to a different one, like Chicago,
Mm-hmm.
and choosing a list. Like, I'm not saying stop it entirely, but like stop making that the primary way of building a lead, right? Start there. And after you've done all of your lists, you need to start creating situations instead. And that's why we give you 120 filters, right? Earlier, I said, I'd like a senior owner list. And then we started from there. Well, then 9 out of other 10 investors are doing the same thing because that list is publicly available, right? What you can do with PropStream, what makes us unique is create situations. Like if I'm a realtor, people want to sell their house to upgrade, right?
Right.
So instead of looking for a list, how about I look for off-market properties owned by regular people for 10 years? They're tired of it. Maybe they want to upgrade. But here's the situation. The reason you want to upgrade is because you have a single family property that's 3 bedrooms. There's a lot of people in that house, but you're just sharing 1 bathroom. That's a situation. And that's a situation realtors get walking into their door every single day. Hi, we need to upgrade. My family just got bigger. We need a second bathroom.
Yeah.
So most of us aren't even thinking about that. Let's start with the list first and then go after that list. Not with PropStream. You can take the other approach, which is find me all the 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom properties that have 1,100 square footage so that my buyers, if they buy it, they can rehab it. And they're built before 2000. And I also want to see the ones with an open mortgage. That way, the probability of the homeowner putting in a second bathroom is low because they have to open up another mortgage to do that. So instead of going after a list, I'm going after 1,100 property owners that need to upgrade potentially. And that's what makes us unique. Again, it doesn't have to be 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It could have been, instead of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, it could have been properties in 2000 with maybe 3 mortgage payments.
Right.
Have you ever considered someone like stressing out about 3 mortgage payments? There are people right now that have 3 mortgage payments that are not in default, but they're barely there, right? That interest rate goes up 1%, now they're in default. You need to start finding those situations that are about to hit a list.
Yeah.
And that's my philosophy is a lead is not a list. A lead is a situation. And with several filters here, you guys can create all sorts of unique situation. Even like that pre-probate that we were just talking about, have you ever considered, pre-probate with an open mortgage that was left behind? That right there could be a reason to want to list the property if you're an agent, right? Maybe it was just bought less than 3 years ago. There's no equity. Maybe the only option is to list it at full price, especially if they bought it 3 years ago. It's already rehabbed. It's cleaned up. They probably didn't do any major damages along the way. So where they would say no to an investor, they'd probably say yes to a realtor.
Right.
So pre-probate situations, even buyers. Don't forget, you can look at our system to build your buyers list, agents and investors. So a lead is not a list. A lead is a situation. Make sure to encompass that. And that should hopefully help you find those extra leads that nobody are looking for because, again, they just want to go after a list, not a situation.